So this is the third lecture of sets chapter, students. Okay. Venn diagrams. We'll be starting with Venn diagrams, right? What are Venn diagrams? Yeah. Venn diagrams are the diagrammatic representation of sets. Okay. That's it, right? If we are representing sets with the help of diagrams, then that is something called as Venn diagram. Now, why there is a need of Venn diagrams, right? Venn diagrams are needed to perform the operations in an easy manner, right? So if you remember in the last lecture, what did we learn? We learned union of sets, we learned intersection of sets, right? We learned these operations on sets, right? Now to perform them easily, Venn diagrams will help us. Okay. So for example, here we have the situation, right? This is the set A and this is set B and we have universal set, right? So how do we represent? Okay. So always the universal set is represented using a rectangle, right? So this is my universal set, right? This is the universe that I'm considering. So in this, all these elements will be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 elements will be there. Now I have set A, right? Which contains 1, 2, and 3. And I have also set B, right? Which contains 3, 4, and 5. Right. Remaining elements, where does they lie? Outside A and B. So 6, 7, and 8 here. Okay. Now the important point that we have to write is 3 lies in both A as well as B. That's the reason it is represented in the common region. Okay. Now if I have to write A intersection B or A union B, directly I can see from the diagram and I can write it. Understood this? The importance of Venn diagrams?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So now okay, in the last class we did not learn operations, right? Okay, fine, no problem. We'll learn the operations, right? So just like we have addition, subtraction, multiplication on numbers, okay? On real numbers, we have operations like addition, subtraction, and multiplication. There are some operations on sets, okay? And we'll be learning those operations. See, we cannot add sets, we cannot subtract sets, okay? So those sort of operations that are applicable on numbers, they are not applicable on sets, okay? So further, we are bringing up new operations, right? The first operation is union of sets. Okay. What is union of sets? Well, A union B is nothing but if there is an element in A or if there is an element in B, then I'll take that. Okay. Simple, right? So A union B, what will be this case? I'll have to write just whatever the elements are there, 1, 2, 3, and whatever the elements are there in B. In B already 2 and 3 are there, but which are already present in A. So I'll not write them because set notation I'll have to write only once. So I'll simply write 4 and that will be my A union B. Okay. So what is A union B? It is the collection of elements that are either in A or in B. That means if they are present in A, I'll take them, or if they are present in B, then also I'll take them. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So Venn diagram representation will be this, right? So either if they are present in A, I'll take them. Either if they are present in B, then also I'll take them. No issues. Okay. Now, what is the next operation? Intersection operation. Intersection operation, what do? We take only the common part present in both A and B. Right? It has to be present in A as well as it has to be present in B. Then only we will take it. Right? So in A, B sets, the only common part is 2, 3. So that is what we are taking. And in Venn diagram, this will be the representation, right? Whatever the common part is there between A and B, that will be my A intersection B. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, this is quite important. Complement of a set. Right? Complement of a set means whatever is there in that set, I have to remove that from the universal set. Okay. See, what is A complement? A complement means X such that X does not belong to A. So X should not belong to the set A. Then what it should belong to? It should belong to the universal set. Okay. So here we have universal set from 1 to 10. Now A set is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what will be the set A complement? it should not belong to A. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 should not be there, but it should belong to universal set. So universal set 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is what universal set will have. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So it can be represented
sir.
in this way, right? A complement, A dash, A written, C written on above A, right? So in this way also it can be written. Yeah, so this is a complement, this is the Venn diagram, right? So whatever is in the A, I'll not consider it. Remaining everything else, I'll consider it. Okay. Whatever is outside A in the universal set, I'll consider it. Right. Now there is another operation which is difference of two sets. Now what is difference of two sets? Right? For example, this is how it is represented. Yeah. So A minus B means whatever is in the A, I have to take, but it should not be in B. Okay. It should be in B A, but it should not be in B, right? That means A is equal to 1, 2, 3 sets, 2, 3, 4. So whatever in the A, first of all, how I will write is A minus B. So first you should say that, okay, whatever is in the A, I'll take it first. So in A, we have 1, 2, and 3. Then what we have to do, whatever is in B, I have to remove it. So 2, 3 are in B, so I'll remove it. So therefore, A minus B is set containing only element 1. Understood, Dimpu?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now we are saying that A minus B is same as A intersection B complement. Now, how is this true? We will check this with the help of the Venn diagram. Okay, first let's draw a Venn diagram for A minus B. Okay, so this is A and this is B. Okay, first of all, it should be in A. That means A means this entire thing. But it should not be in B. So what is in B? This is in B. This common part is entirely in B. So I'll have to remove that. Oh shit. It can't be removed like this. Sorry. Okay, so this will be A minus B, right? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now let's try to find what is A intersection B complement. Okay. First let's try to find A intersection B complement. Okay. So A is here, B is here. So what is A? A is this entire thing. Okay. Now what is B complement? B complement is everything except B. That means this thing, this entire, this is also there, this is also there, this is also there, but this part will not come, right? So this will come, this will come, this will come, this will come. Now, what is the common part between these two? What is the common part? This thing is the only common part, right?
Yes,
Yes or
sir.
no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? So therefore, we can see that both of them are clearly the same. Both of them are clearly the same. So this is how, with the help of Venn diagrams, we can conclude these things, right? So A minus B is always equal to A intersection B complement. Now, let me ask you a question. Are A minus B, is A minus B equal to B minus A?
No, sir.
No, right? Because what is A minus B? A minus B is this part. What is B minus A? B minus A is this part. These two can never be equal. So A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Okay. So that's our conclusion. All right. Let's learn one more operation. This is the final operation. Okay. Yeah. There is something called as symmetric difference of sets. It is represented by A delta B. Now what is this? This is nothing but the union of A minus B and B minus A. Okay. Union of A minus B and B minus A. And what is A minus B? A minus B, this part. B minus A is this part. So this is what A delta B, which is symmetric difference. So what can I write in this in the other way? Yes, I can write. What is this? This I can write it as entire A union B minus the common part, or no, not minus the common part. That's it, right? Minus A intersection B. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
From
sir.
the entire A union B, I have to just remove the common part. I'll get this part, right? So symmetric difference, it can be written in two ways. One is A minus B union B minus A, and it is also equal to A union B, right? From which I have to remove the part containing A intersection. Understood, Pawan? Symmetric difference?
Yes, sir.
Next, disjoints. This is very important. Okay, this will come in n number of chapters. Okay, so you have to remember it carefully, right? Disjoint sets. What are disjoint sets? If two sets have nothing in common, that is, if A intersection B is a null set, there is nothing in common. That means, how does your Venn diagram look like? A is here and B will be here. There will be nothing in common, right? They are called disjoint sets. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Right? So
Yes,
if he gives you two sets and if he asks you whether they are disjoint sets or not, what you'll do? You'll simply calculate the A intersection B, right? Intersection of those two sets. And if it comes out to be a null set, then they are disjoint sets. All right. Now let's solve a question. Let set A be such that X is a prime factor of 240. Okay. All right. So first let's write set A. Prime factor of 240 means, so 2, 3, 5, right? We have to only consider prime factors, right? 2, 3, 5. Next, any other prime factors?
no,
Nothing,
sir.
right? Yeah, 2, 3.
Yes, sir.
Then what about B? X is the sum of any two prime factors. So sum of any two prime factors. So 2 plus 3 is 5, 2 plus 5 is 7, and 3 plus 5 is 8. Okay, this is what. These are the sets A and B. Now we have to see which of the following options are correct. 5 does not belong to A intersection B. So first let's write A intersection B. A intersection B is nothing but 5. 5 does not belong to intersection B. No, wrong. 7 belongs to intersection B. No. 8 belongs to intersection B. No. 8 belongs to A union B. Yes, because what is A union B? 2, 3, 5, 7, 8. It belongs. Okay, so option D is the right answer.
Yes,
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Have you done this question? A 16th question?
No, sir.
Do you know what is modulus?
Yes, sir.
What is modulus?
తెలుగులో చెప్పచ్చు.
తెలుగులో అయినా చెప్పర్లేదు.
సమ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వ్ అయ్యాక ఆన్సర్ మైనస్ లో ఉంటే మాడ్యులస్ రిమూవ్ చేసినప్పుడు ఆన్సర్ ప్లస్ లో ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ అవుతుంది.
ఓకే, ఫైన్. సో మాడ్యులస్ అలా మనం ఎట్లా అంటే ర్యాండమ్ గా చెప్పకూడదు, కొద్దిగా ప్రాసెస్డ్ గా చెప్పాలి. ఓకే, సో మాడ్యులస్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఫ్రమ్ 0. ఓకే, 0 నుంచి ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ లో ఉంది ఆ నెంబర్, అది మాడ్యులస్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్. ఓకే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఇఫ్ ఐ వాంట్ టు ఫైండ్ మాడ్యులస్ ఆఫ్ 5. ఓకే, సో 0 నుంచి 5 ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ లో ఉంది, హౌ మచ్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఈజ్ 5 ఫ్రమ్ 0? ఇట్స్ ఎట్ ఎ డిస్టెన్స్ ఆఫ్ 5 యూనిట్స్. సో మాడ్యులస్ ఆఫ్ 5 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 5. ఓకే, నౌ ద
Yes,
నెక్స్ట్
sir.
క్వశ్చన్ ఈజ్ వాట్ ఈజ్ మాడ్యులస్ ఆఫ్ -5? హౌ మచ్ డిస్టెన్స్ is -5 from 0? -5 is also at a distance of 5 units only, because distance is always positive. Distance cannot be negative.
Yes, sir.
Understood? Okay, so modulus of -5 is also 5. Understood? Dimpu, understood
Yes,
modulus
sir.
meaning?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. This is little bit difficult question only, but yeah, let's try to solve it. So first, let's try to understand the first set. Okay, that is set A. Set A is XYZ such that XYZ are belonging to natural numbers. So that's the first thing. Second condition is x plus y plus z is equal to 10 and x is less than y is less than z. Now, first of all, I have to find all such triplets which follow all these conditions, right? Now, first, let's take the values, right? So, if x is 1 and y is 2, because y cannot be 1, because x has to be strictly less than y. So, what will be the value of z? Z value will be 7.
7.
Because x plus y plus z has to be 10.
10.
Right? So, this is one triplet. So, I got 1, 2, 7 as one triplet. Okay. Next, I'll take x as 1 and y as 3. Right? So, z can be 6. Right? So, this is one more triplet, 1, 3 and 6. Okay. Next, I'll take x as 4, x as 1 and y as 4. So, this will be, z will be 5 in that case. So, 10, right? So, another triplet will be 1, 4, 5. Clear so far? Dimpu, understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, we will take x as 2 because now I can't take x as 1 because next y will become 5 and z will become 4. But it can't be possible, right? Because y should be less than z, right? So, x will take, will stop taking 1 from here itself. Next, I'll take x as 2. Then y can be 3 and z can be 5. So, this is one possibility. So, 2, 3 and 5. Next, I can't take 4. Why I can't take 4? Because if I take 4, I'll get z also 4. But this is not possible because y has to be strictly less than z. So this is also not possible. Then I'll take x as 3. Then I can take y as 4. But z will be 3. So again, this will not also not be possible. Right? So only these are the values that are possible. So how many ordered pairs we got? We got only 4 ordered pairs, right? So set X contains 1, 2, 7, 1, 3, 6, 1, 4, 5, and 2, 3, 5. These ordered pairs only. Okay. Now let's come to set Y. But before we come to set Y, first let's read the question entirely. What is he asking? He is asking X intersection Y. That means it has to be common in both, it has to be present in both X as well as Y. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So for this reason, I will not check Y for all the possible triplets because there is no need for me. I'll have to just check for only these 4 triplets. Why? Because I need to find X intersection Y. If I need to find X intersection phi, the elements have to be common in both X and Y. Avuna kada?
Yes,
Right?
sir.
సో ఎక్స్ లో ఆల్రెడీ ఉన్న దాంట్లోనే నేను చూస్తాను అది కూడా y లో ఉంటే అది నా ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ అవుతుంది రైట్ సో y ఏంటి నేను ఈ ట్రిప్లెట్స్ కి చేస్తాను y ఏంటి y ఈజ్ మోడ్యులస్ ఆఫ్ x మైనస్ z అవ్వాలంట ఓకే అన్నిటికి చెక్ చేద్దాం సో y ఏంటి ఇక్కడ 2 ఈజ్ మోడ్యులస్ ఆఫ్ 7 మైనస్ 1 కాదు సో ఇది కాదు నెక్స్ట్ ఏంటి 3 ఈజ్ మోడ్యులస్ ఆఫ్ 6 మైనస్ 1 నో ఇట్స్ నాట్ సారీ 1 మైనస్ 7 1 minus 6, right? No. Then we have 4. Is 4 modulus of 1 minus 5? Yes. This is modulus of minus 4, which is 4, right? What about this? Is modulus of, is 3 modulus of 2 minus 5? Yes. Because this is also true. So how many arms we are getting? How many possibilities? 2 possibilities. What are those triplets? 1, 4, 5 and 2, 3, 5. So option A and option B are your answers. Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So you do this question one more time after the class or after some time. Okay. Because this is a very important question.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
సో దిస్ ఈస్ హౌ యూ హ్యావ్ టు సాల్వ్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్ స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ ఇక్కడ మనం ప్రతి స్టెప్ ఒక్కొక్క స్టెప్ తీసుకొని చేసాం ఓకే ఫస్ట్ సెట్ ఎక్స్ కనుక్కున్నాము తర్వాత క్వశ్చన్ చూసాము ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ అడిగాడు కాబట్టి ఓకే ఓన్లీ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ కాబట్టి మనం కామన్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ కే వై కనుక్కోవాలి మిగతా వాటికి అవసరం లేదు ఓకే స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ వెళ్ళాలి మనం క్లారిటీగా ఓకేనా
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. Okay. What is 17th one answer? చేశారా 17th? A
Yes, sir.
ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ బి కాంప్లిమెంట్ కనుక్కోమంటున్నాడు. సో ఫస్ట్ యూనివర్సల్ సెట్ లో ఉన్న ఎలిమెంట్స్ కనుక్కోవాలి. ఓకే, యూనివర్సల్ సెట్ లో ఉన్న ఎలిమెంట్స్ కనుక్కోవాలంటే we have to solve this equation. Now how do we solve this equation, right? So we have this fifth power equation, right? So what is the equation? X power 5 minus 6x power 4 plus 11x power 3 minus 6x square equals to 0. So first thing what I'll do, I'll take x square common. Then I'll get x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 equals to 0. So x equals to 0 is clearly solution because x square equals to 0 and x equal to 0. Now I have to check for this. So x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 equals to 0. So careful గా అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే x equal to 1 ఒక ఫ్యాక్టర్ అవుతుంది. ఎందుకు 1? If I substitute 1, so this will be 1 minus 6 plus 11 minus 6. So 11 plus 1 12, 12 minus 12 is 0, right? So x equal to 1 is a solution. That means x minus 1 is a factor. అవునా కదా?
Yes, sir.
రైట్. నౌ ఇంకొక ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఎలా కనుక్కోవాలి? ఇంకొక ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఎలా కనుక్కోవాలి? డివైడ్ చేసేయండి. దేన్ని డివైడ్ చేయండి? ఎక్స్ క్యూబ్ మైనస్ 6x స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 11x మైనస్ 6 ఈక్వల్ టు 0ని యూ డివైడ్ ఇట్ విత్ x minus 1. You will get the other factors, other two factors you will get. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you try this question. Okay, I'm just giving the hint so that you can try these questions. Okay, now what you'll do, you'll find universal set, all the elements of the universal set. Then you'll solve this equation, you'll find set A. Then you'll solve this equation, you'll find set B. Then it is easy to find A intersection B complement, right? What is A intersection B complement? The elements which are present in the universal set, but they should not be present in the A intersection B. All right. So you try to solve this
Yes,
question. If you don't get it, I'll help you again. Okay, I'll send you the answer. సో క్యూబిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ కి సొల్యూషన్స్ ఫైండ్ చేయాలంటే మోస్ట్లీ ఏంటి, ఫస్ట్ మనం ట్రయల్ అండ్ ఎర్రర్ మెథడే అబ్జర్వ్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, క్యూబిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ మనకి ఇక్కడ వచ్చింది కదా, ఏ క్యూబిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ వచ్చింది? ఎక్స్ క్యూబ్ మైనస్ 6x స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 11x minus 6 equals to 0. So how was I able to say that x equal to 1 is a solution? Because I observed the coefficients. Coefficients వచ్చేసి 1 minus 6 11 minus 6 ఉన్నాయి. So directly if I add them, the sum is becoming 0. So directly that means x equal to 1 is a solution. So that is how you have to observe and find the solutions. అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Next question చూద్దాం. Let U be a universal. Okay. All right. Let U be a universal set and n of U equal to 12. Okay. If A and B are subsets of universal sets such that n of B is 6, then n of A union B complement అడుగుతున్నాడు. Okay. So best way to solve this sort of problems is with the help of your Venn diagrams. Okay. So let's draw a Venn diagram. So this is set A, this is set B, right? n of A intersection B is 2. Ante common elements any 2. n of B is 6. So n of B మొత్తం 6. Already common elements are 2. So remaining in this part the elements will be 4. Now n of U is 12, right? Universal set elements are 12. He is asking what? N of A union B complement. Okay. So what is A union B complement? This entire thing, right? అంతే కదా. బి కాంప్లిమెంట్ అంటే రిమైనింగ్ ఎంటైర్ పార్ట్ వస్తుంది. ఏ అంటే ఈ పార్ట్ అంతా వస్తుంది ఏ. ఓకే, ఏ యూనియన్ అంటే ఈ ఎలిమెంట్స్ కూడా కన్సిడర్ చేయాలి కదా, 2 కామన్ పార్ట్ ఉన్న ఎలిమెంట్ కూడా కన్సిడర్ చేయాలి కదా.
Yes, sir.
ఎందుకంటే అది ఏలో వచ్చేస్తుంది కదా. ఓకే, సో రిమైనింగ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ మొత్తం 6 ప్లస్ కామన్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఎంత 2. సో 8 ఈజ్ అవర్ ఆన్సర్. అర్థమైందా ఇది
ఎస్ సార్.
డింపు?
ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ చెప్పండి సార్.
ఓకే, సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఏ యూనియన్ బి కాంప్లిమెంట్ లో ఎన్ని ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి అంటున్నాడు. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ బి కాంప్లిమెంట్ లో ఎన్ని ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి? బి కాంప్లిమెంట్ అంటే బి కాకుండా మిగతాదంతా. ఓకే, సో బిలో సిక్స్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు బి కాంప్లిమెంట్ లో ఎన్ని ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉంటాయి? అందులో కూడా 6 ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, మొత్తం ఎలిమెంట్స్
Yes,
12.
sir.
ఓకే, సో బి కాంప్లిమెంట్ లో 12 ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఇప్పుడు ఏ యూనియన్ బి అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. సో అంటే ఏలో ఎన్ని ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయో నాకు అవి కూడా కావాలి. ఏలో ఎన్ని ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి మనం ఆల్రెడీ కౌంట్ చేయనివి. ఓకే, బి కాంప్లిమెంట్ లో కౌంట్ చేయనివి ఏలో ఎన్ని ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఓకే, సో బి కాంప్లిమెంట్ లో నేను కౌంట్ చేయనివి ఏలో ఉన్న ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఎన్ని? 2 ఎలిమెంట్స్. ఎందుకు? అవి కామన్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ కాబట్టి, సో అవి ఏలో కూడా ఉంటాయి. సో ఏలో 2 ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, బి కాంప్లిమెంట్ లో 6 ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సో టోటల్ ఎన్ని ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉంటాయి? టోటల్ విల్ బి 8 ఎలిమెంట్స్.
Okay, sir.
అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir.
ఓకే, పవన్ డౌటా?
నో సార్.
Okay, fine. All right. So find A minus B. I think this is easy, right? ఇది చేసేయగలుగుతారు కదా.
Yes, sir.
ఎస్
So
సార్.
what is A minus B? They should be present in A but not in B, right? So
ఎస్ సార్.
9 is there, so I will not take this. 13 is not there, 17 is not there, 21 is there. So A minus B will be 5, 13 and 17, right? So A minus B will be, again, they should be present in A, but they should not be present in A minus B, right? So A minus B lo 5, 13, 17 ఉన్నాయి. So I will take, so remaining will be 9 and 21. So 9, 21 will be my answer. All right?
Yes, sir.
ఎస్ సార్.
Okay. Let P of x denote the power set of set x. Okay. For any two sets, if P of A equal to P of B, then. Now, what does this mean? P of A equal to P of B. That is, power set of A is equal to power set of B. What is power set? Power set is the set formed by the subsets of A and the subsets of B. Okay. So, if these two are equal, then obviously set A and set B will also be equal. Yes or no?
ఎస్ సార్. ఎస్ సార్.
Right, because same subsets అంటే sets కూడా సేమ్ ఉంటేనే subsets కూడా సేమ్ ఉంటాయి, right? So therefore set A and set B are equal. So option B is the correct answer. Okay, are we done? No, ఇంకా ఉంది. ఏంటి? What about A delta B? A symmetric difference B ఏంటి? That is A union B minus A intersection B. When A and B are equal, A union B, A intersection B, రెండు సేమ్ ఉంటాయి కదా. Both of them will be same. This is A and this is B. So A union B is also same, A intersection will be also same. That means this is a null set. So option D is also right answer. Understood?
Yes,
ఆప్షన్
sir.
డి అర్థం కాలేదు సార్.
ఆప్షన్ డి అర్థం కాలేదా? ఓకే, సో ఏ డెల్టా బి అంటే ఏ సిమెట్రిక్ డిఫరెన్స్ అంటే ఏంటి? టూ ఫార్ములాస్ చదువుకున్నాము దీనికి. ఏ డెల్టా బి అంటే ఏ మైనస్ బి యూనియన్
బి
బి
మైనస్.
మైనస్ ఏ, విచ్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ యూనియన్ బి minus A intersection B. Let's look at it from both the ways. What is A minus B? If A and B are both equal, what is A minus B? A minus B is a null set. అవునా
Yes,
కదా?
sir.
If B
Yes, sir.
minus B is also a null set because B and A are equal. Null set ని యూనియన్ చేస్తే నాకు వచ్చేది null set కదా.
ఎస్ సార్.
Now same with this as well, right? A union B is nothing but A only because A and B are equal. So A union B will be A itself. A intersection
Yes,
B
sir.
will also be A only because A and B are equal. So common part will be A. A minus A is nothing but null set. So A delta B is also a null set.
ఎస్ సార్.
Understood both of you?
Yes, sir.
ఎస్ సార్.
So let's stop here. So you try these problems, okay? One problem is this one. Yeah, 17th problem you try, and whatever the remaining problems are there, that is 21st, 22nd, and 23rd, 24th, 25th. You try these problems once again, okay? We'll discuss them in the next class, right? But you try them on your
Yes.
own.
Yes, sir.
All right.